Hi everyone, this is Jian. Thank you for visiting my channel. Today I'm going to make this peony with the palette knife using sculpture painting effect. Let's get started. So today I'm going to use this Teflon sheets to spread out my buttercream. It's actually for baking. I use it instead of parchment paper. It has some good texture, so I prefer using this rather than just using silicone pad, but you can also use any flat board. I made light pink tone color using rose from Wilton, and I add burgundy color to make this middle tone pink. And then in that mixture I add a little bit of red to make more dark and deep pink color. And then I'm going to spread out my buttercream nice and smooth and evenly. Depending on the thickness of this spread, your petals will get thicker or thinner. I prepared 6-inch cake and it's covered with buttercream and already chilled. It's ready to use. I'm going to use my palette knife and show you how to pick up the buttercream. So first I'm going to slowly scrape it and make this petal and gently apply it on my cake surface. If you want your petals to point a different direction, you can just simply scrape your palette knife in the opposite way. Now I have a better idea where my peony is gonna be placed. So before completing my whole peony, I'm going to add the leaves because I want to have some petals to cover the leaves so it can be more natural. So before adding all the petals, I'm going to add some leaves. Also, you can add your food coloring gel directly to your working place and mix it with your palette knife. I will show you that on my next palette knife tutorial. So if you are enjoying this video, please subscribe my channel and like this video. So now I'm going to kind of flip this petal and make the peony shape. And also to add a single petal, you can use a second palette knife and gently slide the petal on your flower. Also, it's good to keep your palette knife always clean, especially when you're using your second palette knife to slide out your petals. Otherwise, you will add all the remaining buttercreams on your flower. So this will going to be my last leaf. I'm going to finish up my peony from here. And thank you so much for watching my video. I'm going to make more palette knife tutorials, so please subscribe my channel and I'll see you in the next video.